Friends, I wish you all a happy new year 2021 and welcome to 8th class biology. Today's lesson is cell, the basic unit of life. Basic unit of living organisms is dash. Cell. Cell is basic unit of all living organisms. Cell was first discovered by dash. Which scientist first discovered this cell? Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke first observed the cell in dash tree, in oak tree. Robert Hooke called the cavities in the oak cork is dash cell. In Latin language, cell means dash a little room. We can see cells similar to oak cork cells is in dash in a matchstick. Felix Fontana and other scientists first saw the nucleus in dash cells, in epithelial cells of animals. The scientist first observed the nucleus in different kinds of cells was dash. He observed the nucleus in animal cells and plant cells. Who is the scientist? Robert Brown. Robert Brown observed the nucleus in dash cells. He observed the nucleus in the epidermis of orchid leaves, epidermal cells of orchid leaves. The stains used to observe the nucleus under the microscope are dash dash. We have to use some stains to clearly observe the some parts of the cell. What are the stains? Safranin or methylene blue. If we use safranin, it appears in pink color. And we use methylene blue, it is in blue color. The boundary of a cheek cell is called dash cell membrane. Not only a cheek cell, every cell has a cell membrane. Cell is surrounded by a layer that is called cell membrane. The layer present over the cell membrane in onion peels cell is dash. All cells has cell membrane, but in plant cells there is another membrane. What is it? Cell wall. Cell wall has only plant cells has cell wall. The jelly like substance between the nucleus and the cell membrane is dash. There is a jelly like substance between cell wall and the nucleus. It is cytoplasm. The membrane bound structures in the cytoplasm are called dash. There are so many structures in cytoplasm. What are they? They are called cell organelles. Many cell organelles are present in the cytoplasm. Cell is the dash and dash unit of the organisms. Structural and functional. Cell is the structural and functional unit of all organisms. Why? All organisms are made up of cells. So, it is a structural unit, and all the functions, basic functions are held in cell only. So, it is the functional unit of all organisms. In dash cells, nucleus is located in the center of the cell. In animal cells, for example, cheek cell. Cheek cell is an animal cell. The organisms made up of a single cell are called dash unicellular organisms. They have only one cell. Organisms made up of more than one cell are dash multicellular organisms. We are also big animals, trees, all are multicellular organisms. In dash organisms, all the life processes performed by a single cell. In unicellular organisms, why? Because it has only one cell. That cell, all processes are performed by that cell only. In the transverse section of spinach stem, dash groups of cells are present. 4 groups of cells. The cell in the shape of a tree is dash nerve cell. Nerve cell, if we look the nerve cell, it looks like a tree. The cell in round and biconcave shape is dash human red blood cell. The organism has no definite shape is dash It is amoeba. It has no special shape. It always changes its shape. The organs amoeba uses to change its shape are dash. Amoeba uses its pseudopodia. The uses of pseudopodia in amoeba are dash. For moving and feeding. The smallest cell is dash. Bacteria cell. Size of a bacteria cell is dash. 0.1 to 0.5 micrometers, means microns. Size of human liver and kidney cells are dash. 20 to 30 microns. 1 micron is dash part of a meter. Million or 10 lakhs. If we make a meter million parts, a single part is called a micron or micrometer. 1 micron equal to dash nanometers. 1000 nanometers. The length of human nerve cell is dash centimeters, approximately 90 to 100 centimeters. It is the longest cell in our human beings. The largest cell is dash. Ostrich egg. Size of an ostrich egg is 17 centimeters into 18 centimeters. The size of the cell is related to dash, its function. The cells without nucleus in our body are, all cells have nucleus, but some cells in our body has no nucleus. What are they? Red blood cells. In dash cells, nucleus is not in the center of the cell. In plant cells, due to the presence of dash, nucleus is not in the center of plant cells. Vacuoles. In plant cells there are vacuoles. They occupied more space in the cytoplasm, and so that the nucleus is not in the center. Use of cell wall in plant cells is dash. It gives rigidity, strength to the cells. Cytoplasm is a dash material, heterogeneous material. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.